Hey everyone, welcome back to Motive Lux. I'm so glad you're here because today's topic is crucial if you're serious about taking care of your health. We're talking about some of the most common yet dangerous foods that might be lurking in your diet. These are foods that can do more harm than good, and avoiding them could be one of the best decisions you make for your long-term well-being. So, let's not waste any time. Let's dive into the 5 foods you should absolutely avoid. Let's kick things off with a crowd favorite, fried chicken. Now I get it. Fried chicken is one of those comfort foods that's hard to resist. It's crispy, it's savory, and it hits the spot. But here's the harsh reality. That delicious crunch is loaded with trans fats, which are a major no-go for your health. Trans fats are notorious for raising your LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol, while lowering your HDL cholesterol, or the good cholesterol. This imbalance can lead to clogged arteries, which significantly increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. And if that wasn't bad enough, the frying process at high temperatures can produce harmful compounds that contribute to inflammation and other chronic conditions. So next time you're tempted by that golden, crispy chicken, remember that grilling or baking is a much healthier way to enjoy your favorite poultry. Moving on to another popular item, burgers, especially those made with processed meats. We all love a good burger, but when it's stacked with bacon, sausage, or other processed meats, it's not just your waistline that's at risk. Processed meats are packed with saturated fats, which are known to increase cholesterol levels and contribute to heart disease. And then, there's the sodium. Just one of those processed patties can contain more than half of your recommended daily intake of salt. High sodium levels can lead to hypertension, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. But that's not all. Regular consumption of processed meats has also been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. So the next time you're craving a burger, consider going for a lean, unprocessed option like turkey or even a plant-based patty. Your heart will thank you. Now, let's talk about one of the most tempting side dishes, French fries. French fries are almost synonymous with fast food, but they're also a fast track to health problems. They're usually fried in oils that are high in trans fats, and they're loaded with salt. This combination can spell disaster for your cardiovascular system, but it's not just about the fats and salt. When potatoes are fried at high temperatures, they produce a chemical called acrylamide, which has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. This is a serious concern, especially if you're someone who indulges in fries regularly. If you can't imagine a meal without them, try making your own baked fries at home. Use a healthier oil, like olive oil, and go easy on the salt. You'll still get that satisfying crunch without all the health risks. Let's not forget about what you wash those fries down with, sugary sodas. Sodas might seem refreshing, but they're one of the worst things you can put in your body. A single can of soda can contain up to 40 grams of sugar, which is way more than your body needs. Consuming this much sugar regularly can lead to a host of health problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. And it's not just the sugar that's the issue. Sugary sodas are also linked to fatty liver disease, which can lead to liver damage and even liver failure over time. Plus, the high acid content in sodas can erode your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and other dental issues. Instead of reaching for a soda, try sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice or some fresh lemon slices. It's just as refreshing and much better for your body. Last but certainly not least, we need to talk about processed meats in general. Processed meats, like hot dogs, deli meats, and canned meats, are incredibly convenient, but they come with a host of health risks. These meats are often preserved with nitrates and nitrites, chemicals that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Processed meats are also typically high in saturated fats and sodium, both of which contribute to heart disease and high blood pressure. But the risks don't stop there. Studies have shown that regular consumption of processed meats can also lead to chronic diseases like diabetes and even dementia. If you enjoy meat, Stick to fresh, unprocessed options and be mindful of portion sizes. Your future self will be grateful. So, there you have it. 5 foods that might be tempting, but are definitely not worth the risk. I know it can be tough to cut these out, especially if they're staples in your diet, but small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Start by swapping out just 1 or 2 of these foods, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Story Pebbles for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and make smart choices.